The second part of question set 2, or question set 1, question set 2, part B, is suppose that United employees make an error in judgment in dealing with customers. This sounds very familiar for you guys who like to read the news. A passenger is removed from a flight by force. The next day, the share price falls by 3%, and the market price on corporate bonds only falls by 1%. Why is there a difference in these rates? Okay, well, let's read through the answers and see which one is right. Debt holders have the right to increase interest costs when earnings expectations decline. No way. They can't change the contract. That's not part of a normal debt contract. I'm sure it's possible, but not really. Debt holders are still likely to be repaid, but there is a small increase in default risk. Could be the answer. And the idea is that because equity holders take on more risk, a share price decline of 3% makes more sense. The debt holders take on less risk because they're first in line if the company goes under, and they should therefore demand more of a return, but not quite as much as the share price. So when the price of the bond falls, that means the interest rate on the bond went up. So that could be it. Debt holders care less about customers and profits than shareholders. Not really. Shareholders are required to contribute additional capital. Nope. Shareholders have no influence on manager decisions. That's true, but that's not the reason why. Well, that is a very cynical view. It's true that shareholders do not have much influence on management's decisions, although they can band together and vote people out, but that's not the reason for the differential. So the answer is going to be B. They are still likely to be repaid, but there's a small increase in the default risk.